Welcome to my channel, Quizzybee. In today's video, you'll have to guess the drinks by Emoji. But before we begin, please subscribe our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's play! Can you figure out what drink this is? Black tea. What do you think this drink is? Sprite. Can you identify this beverage? Red Bull. What's your guess for this drink? Fanta. Can you name this drink? It's a strawberry milkshake. Can you tell which drink this is? Monster Energy. Do you know what this drink is? Great, it's Kool-Aid. What's your answer for this drink? Sunkissed. Can you recognize this drink? Lipton. Do you know the name of this beverage? Chocolate milkshake. What's your guess for this one? Dr. Pepper. Can you guess which drink this emoji represents? Fruit punch. Take a look at this emoji. Can you name the drink? Hot chocolate. Can you guess the drink from this emoji? Dole juice. What drink do you think this is? It's a cocktail. Do you recognize the beverage shown by this emoji? Almond milk. What drink do you think is represented by this emoji? Bloody Mary. Can you guess what beverage this is? It's Snapple. What drink does this emoji represent? Tropicana. Can you name the beverage shown by this emoji? Sparkling water. What do you think this beverage is called? Coconut water. Can you figure out the name of this drink? Oat milk? What beverage do you think this is? Seven Up? Can you identify the drink from this emoji? Iced tea. Do you know what drink this emoji stands for? It's green tea. What do you think about this drink? It's orange juice. Can you name the drink depicted by this emoji? Mountain Dew. What's your guess for the name of this beverage? Soy milk. Can you tell what beverage this is from the emoji? It's a Pepsi. Do you know what this emoji represents? Gatorade. What drink do you think is depicted here? It's an iced coffee. Can you guess the name of the drink from this emoji? Capri Sun. What do you think the name of this drink is? Coca-Cola. Can you identify what drink this emoji shows? It's water. Do you know which beverage this emoji represents? Mirinda. What beverage do you think this emoji depicts? Crush. Can you figure out the drink shown by this emoji? Cappuccino. What's your guess for this beverage's name? It's milk. What drink do you think this emoji is? Canada Dry. Can you name the drink represented by this emoji? It's an Americano. Do you recognize this drink shown by this emoji? Sugarcane juice. What do you think the beverage is from this emoji? Voss water.